Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. It's the beginning of March, and that means that our good friend Emily Frankowski is back in studio to tell us about how, thankfully, we won't need the luck of the Irish to see some of the great performances, including, you're going to tell us about how to swipe right.
Exactly.
So welcome back to the show. Great to have you as always. So what have we got going on? And if I may, what is swipe right? I mean, I get it in those dating apps. I don't have them, but I've heard of it. But what?
Yes. So basically, it's the Second City, which is returning to Joplin. Connect to Culture brought them maybe 5 years ago or so to Memorial Hall. And so this show for the Second City, if you don't know who the Second City is, if you watch Saturday Night Live, all of those great comedians that you see that have come through Saturday Night Live, Tina Fey, Bill Murray, people like that, they have gone to the Second City to learn improv comedy. And so it's kind of the stomping grounds for all of those great comedians. But this show in particular is for mature audiences only. It's called Swipes Right, The Incomplete Guide to the Ultimate Date Night. And this is on March 24th. It's a Friday, 7 p.m. So it's going to be improv comedy. You never know what's going to come next. They're making it up right on the spot. And it's going to be all about relationships and love and different things like that. So definitely not going to be appropriate for all ages, but it's going to be a lot of fun. And as they say, it's love at first laugh with the Second City at this show.
This sounds exciting. I did skip just because this sounded extremely interesting. It certainly did. But we have also got something coming up prior to that. In fact, coming up this Thursday, tomorrow.
Yes, exactly. And as you mentioned, it doesn't take, not the luck of the Irish or anything. You just have to get tickets, which this is Danu. It is a traditional Irish folk ensemble from County Waterford, which is a very historic place in Ireland. They're going to be using traditional Irish instruments as well as vocals, both sung in English and Irish during this performance. But like I said, tickets are selling fast. We have less than 50 tickets available in the house. So get your tickets today because you don't know if they'll be available tomorrow. It's going to be a wonderful show. Their songs are they just they touch your heart. And if you love Irish music, this is the one to come to. We're also going to have some fun drink specials, maybe some green beer, things like that you can enjoy. Just getting ready to celebrate St. Patrick's Day.
So a couple of great shows coming up. They're not the only ones, though. There's other things going on, and we're going to touch on those. We're going to invite you back here in just a few minutes and touch on the other things coming up at the Cornell Complex and the Connect to Culture is doing. Of course, we'll have the information on our website, KOAMnewsnow.com, and of course you can find it at connecttoculture.org. We'll be right back after this.